how to fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing. So to fix the missing Instagram repost option in 2025, the first thing you can do is to go ahead and open Instagram first and then go ahead and check if you actually have that repost button. If you don't have that, what you can do first is to update your Instagram app. So open Google Play Store on your device. And then on Google Play Store, go ahead and head over into the search tab. Now, once you're on the search tab, go ahead and use the search bar to search for Instagram. And then on the results, click on Instagram. And then if you find an update button here instead of an open button, go ahead and click on that update button to start updating your app. The repost feature was enhanced in 2025, so older versions may not support it. Second thing you can do is to check account eligibility. The repost option is available for public posts and reels only, so if you're trying to repost from a private account, the option won't appear. Some business or creator accounts may have early or limited access to repost features. Third thing is through enabling sharing settings. So to enable sharing settings, what you can do is to go ahead and open the settings on your Instagram app. So go ahead and click on the burger icon at the top right of your screen. And then once you click on that, that will redirect you to settings. And then from here, head over to privacy. And then on the account privacy, go ahead and head over to story or reel. So make sure allow resharing to stories is turned on, and also check allow others to repost if available. Now, use the Repost tab. So Instagram introduced a Repost tab in 2025 where you can view and manage shared content. So you will basically find it on your profile in between the reels and the tag photos. So on the Repost tab, you'll be able to find all of the posts that you have reposted on Instagram. So if it's missing, what you can do is to restart the app first, log out and log back in, and clear cache or reinstall the app. And that is how you can basically fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing.